So welcome back guys. So today we are solving the LeetCode Biweekly contest 90. Okay, so the first question is odd string difference. So let's see what the question states. But before moving on to the question, please subscribe to our channel and like this video and share it with your friends. We solve LeetCode daily challenges, GFG problem of the days, and all the contest solutions of Code Forces, Code Chef, and LeetCode you'll get here. Okay, so let's see what the question states. We are given an array of equal length strings words, okay, and we have to assume that the length of each string is n. Like here the words vector has all the strings of length 3, and that's it. So let's see what it states further. Each string in the words vector can be converted into a difference integer array, difference of I of n minus 1 length. Okay, so as here the n length is 3, so the integer array will be of 2 length. Okay, so what is the difference? The difference is that as a b c d e is 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, a corresponds to 0, b corresponds to 1, similarly z will correspond to 25. Okay, because it is the 25th letter of the English alphabet. Okay, so then here the difference integer array will be, for example, here it is given that acb, then c is 0 1 2, 2 minus a is 0, so 2 minus 0, that is 2, and 1, that is b, and b minus c, that is 2, is minus 1. Okay, so all the strings in the words have same difference integer array except one. We have to find that one string that has the a difference array. Okay, for example, as here, let me show you in the photo. Okay, so for example, if we are given, I have taken this example from the example given in the question. Okay, so here as ADC has 3 minus 0, D minus A is 3 minus 0 is 3, C minus D is 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, and Z minus W is 25 minus 22, that is 3, and Y minus Z, that is 24 minus 25, that is minus 1. And similarly, uh, we have this both these strings with a difference array 3 minus 1 and 3 minus 1, but ABC has a difference array 1 and 1, as B minus A is 1 minus 0 1, and C minus B is 2 minus 1 1. Okay, so what we do is, how do we find this ABC, this unique or the different uh, different string? Okay, so what we do is we use a map for it. Okay, what we do is we map this integer vector with all the strings with same integer vector, as 3 minus 1 will have ADC and WZY, because both of them have 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is mapped to ADC and WZY, but ABC is mapped to 1 comma 1. Okay, so we will get this unique, this as unique because the 1 comma 1 maps to only one string it maps. Otherwise every other string are getting mapped to this. So it has a length 2 and it has a length 1. So we are taking a map of vector int to store these, and a vector string to store these. Okay, so let's see, vector int mapping to vector string. So I have created a map of vector int mapping to vector string, and the vector, I have taken a vector v that will store the current vector strings. Okay, so I'm traversing with a for each loop the words vector. Then what I do is I push back all the differences, that is, okay, this is the vector int that stores this 3 comma minus 1, 3 comma minus 1, 1 comma 1. So first it will get 3 comma minus 1, then it will push into the map and map it with I, that is first what, ADC. Okay, then when we again get 3 minus 1 in this vector and we again push the I into it, what is the I now? That is WZY. Okay, so it also gets pushed into 3 minus 1. So what we get is this, and we similarly do v dot clear, because for each iteration the word are changing. Okay, words are changing and the vector int is also changing. Okay, so we do this second for each loop. In this second for each loop, what we do is we check which vector int has its second vector string as 1, because as one length. Okay, because here we can see that this 1 comma 1 is mapped to abc, which is only present one time. So this is our unique vector of string that we need. Okay, so we get this and we return the answer. Okay, and if we don't find anything, then we return anything. Okay, so that's it. We'll always find the unique one in this unique one with the different kind of difference array, so we'll get our answer. So that's it. Thank you, and please subscribe to our channel.